pleased. We think the court made the right decision.
A win for Grace Community Church in Sun Valley, their attorney says, might mean a win for other churches in the state that want to hold indoor services against their county's COVID-19 health order.
You can't treat a church like a hair salon. I mean, a church is entitled to heightened protection under the Constitution. So you need to be able to meet that higher standard to show that these regulations are necessary.
Today's ruling comes on the fourth try by LA County to temporarily ban indoor services at the church.
It's actually hard to figure out exactly what the city is trying to do with us and to us, but we know they don't want us to do exactly what we're doing right now.
It's a fight other churches, including Godspeak, Calvary, and Newberry Park, are having in court. Just last week, a Ventura County Superior Court fined the church $3,000 and held it and its pastor in contempt for having indoor services against a temporary court order. Paul Jonah, one of the attorneys who represents Grace here in Sun Valley, says the county is playing favorites in its enforcement of COVID-19 regulations.
Certain preferred First Amendment activity the county has sort of left unregulated, like the protests that we saw, and First Amendment activity that they deem less important, they are restricting with 100-person caps and with with restrictions on what can happen indoors.
County officials say they are deeply disappointed that the court didn't grant their request, as it had done several times before, and add the county's health officer order prohibiting indoor gatherings such as protests and religious services remains valid and in effect. The Department of Public Health continues to ask residents to do their part, and when attending religious services, please stay outdoors, wear a mask, and practice social distancing. Grace Community Church and the county will be able to present their cases in full for the first time September 4th. In Sun Valley, Hermela Argawi, CBS 2 News.